Leah, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are doing our June stitch fix. I have such a problem saying that. I don't know why. It just doesn't come out naturally, like stitch. I have to actually think about it. Anyway, let's get into our stitch fix box for this month. Yay! So it comes in a box like this. It gives you instructions on here, what to do, how to do it, where to do it. Inside you get your return envelope. Anything you don't want, pop it back in there, take it along to your postage point, and that's free of charge. And inside you will get your goodies. So let's have a look. Oh, okay, so I have only one bundle this time. Normally you get two. Paperwork, which I would leave it to the end. So it looks like that is so nice, but I really do not need any more handbags. I have so many. No more handbags. It's nice. So I need to actually update my profile and let them know that I don't want any handbags, accessories, shoes, all the rest of it, just clothes. Okay, but it is really nice. I do like it. It's something that I would buy. Yeah, definitely. I do actually have a backpack, but mine's got, very similar to this actually, mine has got flowers on it. So that's a no. Okay, so let's have a look at our bundle. Oh, not very spring colours there. All very dark black colours. Let's have a look. Get rid of the paper so it doesn't make an awful racket. So the first piece we have is oh, it's a skirt. And it's black. It's got button detailing down the front. There's a lot of material here. Maybe not my cup of tea. It's elasticated in the waist. It's quite thick. Does it have any pockets? Yes, we have pockets. Okay. Well, I'm going to try it on. This is probably more my cup of tea than the other subscription box that I had. If you remember, I had a pink polka dot skirt, similar design. This is probably more favourable to me, possibly because it's black, I don't know. So I look forward to trying that on anyway. And then we have, what's this? This is a very wide top, quite boxy. Oh my god, I love that. Look at that. Eye the tiger or what? I think she's certainly getting, like, I do like the rock chick vibe where, you know, my colours generally are quite bland, you know, the whites, blacks, greys. I like different shades of those colours. I am a bit boring, but in the summer I do like to mix it up a little bit with a little bit of colour. But I'll try that on, but it does look a little bit wide and very boxy. Then we have, what's this? Did I not get this last time? Did I? Pretty sure I did. Actually, I'm not sure of the sleeves. I think the sleeves were, there were no sleeves, that's right. Okay, so we have this one. I think it's just a little bit too similar to my last one, and I actually did keep that from my box from last month, if you guys remember, but I'm pretty sure that it didn't have any sleeves. And last but not least, we have, oh, I like this. I don't know whether I would have thought I would have, but actually this is really pretty. Oh my god. This is definitely my favourite top out of them all. It's really pretty. Look at the sleeves, guys. Yeah, like that. It's pretty. Look forward to try. Obviously, I'll need to wear something under that, a vest top or something. Right, okay. hang fire. I'll be back in 5. We'll do the try on, and as usual, once I've done the try on, we'll sit down with thoughts and pricing and see where we are with that. So I'll catch you very soon. Bye for now. Hi guys, so we have the first outfit for Stitch Fix. So as you can see, I have put the long flowy black dress up, skirt, sorry. Got button detailing down. They are false. They're just there for fashion purposes, I guess. It does have little pockets. I would normally like this, but I just feel it's too flowy. It doesn't really, I don't know. I just feel like it makes me look heavier than what I am because it's too big, too much material. It's got an elasticated waist. The fit is spot on. No issues with the fit whatsoever. It's very comfortable. It's very thick. It's very heavy. So spring, summer, I'm going to not really enjoy wearing this. T-shirt, I have to say I really do like. Probably doesn't go with this skirt in particular, but I thought I'll just throw the 3 tops on with the skirt. But I like it. It's got that distressed kind of feel about it. I really do like this. It's very casual. Sling this on with some like combat trousers or something, or joggers. Anyway, oh, and let's show you the bag. As discussed when I did the opening of the box, that I wouldn't be keeping this. I mean, it is nice, good quality, it's very heavy. Again, it's black. Not really spring summer colours here, are they? In fact, none of it is. Anyway, I'm going to sling the nice top on and see what you think. See. Hiya, so we have the second little top on. This material is quite itchy. I don't know why, because it feels quite soft to touch it. It's not something that I would probably reach for. You would have to wear a tank under it, which defeats the object of spring summer because you'd be really hot with 2 tops on. The only thing I really do like about it is I love the detail on the little sleeves here. I think it's so pretty and very well done. No, not for me, I'm afraid. What can I say? All in black again. So spring, summer, no. And I thought I'd just put the bag on again with it. So hang fire, last top, see you soon. Hi guys, so back with the final top. This one I would say is probably my favourite out of all 3 tops. However, I did receive something very similar to this last month. Don't know if you guys remember. The only difference is it was sheer along here, and I don't think it had any sleeves, and I kept that one. So a bit pointless keeping this one. However, I prefer this one over the sleeveless ones because I am a bit, I don't like showing my arms off too much at the top. So again, all in black. So I don't know. This kind of looks nice together with it. I suppose you could put a pair of animal print shoes on or something, or coloured pair of shoes, just to bring a little bit of colour aspects into it, with maybe a scarf, a different colour handbag, just to brighten it up a little bit. Anyway, that's the try on complete. So I'll take this off and we'll go through the pricing. See you soon. Hi guys, so we are back with the final part of this video for Stitch Fix. So we have the paperwork. Let's have a look inside. Oh no, I haven't got my glasses. Let's hope I can see. So what do we have? We have this little thing here, and stylist would leave a note. I'm not going to read all of it, but I did have a different stylist. Her name is Verity. And then you get some of these styling little cards here. What else? Okay, and if you use my link, which I will leave down below, you get £15 credit, and so do I if you use my link. And actually somebody has used my link already, so big thanks. They don't tell me who did use my link, but I do appreciate it. Thank you so much, whoever that was. If it was you, please drop me a comment and let me know. Thank you. Okay, so that's that little piece there, and then this piece here is the all-important invoice. Let's have a look. Okay, so let's go through pricing. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, let's have a look. The skirt, this one, they call it a Rosio midi skirt. That was 50 quid for the skirt. You know, it's really good quality. It's quite heavy and thick. I would say this was more of an autumn piece than spring. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's just my thoughts. Next we had, oh my god, you'll never guess how much this handbag, or rucksack I should say actually. That is an astonishing £120. Wow. So that would be going back. And then we have the tiger print, this one, which I did actually like. I think I like this one, you know, the one with the tiger. Probably like that out of all the tops actually. Although I don't like the price, £40. Wow. That's gone back. And then we have, what's this Ming? Just try to find the right. Right, this one. The only thing I liked about this was the sleeve area. This was £24. And then the last one, I like this, but because I already have something very similar, no point having two. I got them around the wrong way. Sorry guys, this one is 24, the one with the mesh. That's £24. Apologies. And this one, £29.99. Right, okay, so the whole box, sorry, the whole box came to a staggering £263.99. If you keep all 5 pieces, minus 20% discount, which is £52.80. Take off your £10 styling fee. And that would take the whole total down to £201.19. So not happy with that. That's really expensive. Wow. I'm not sure if this person has actually looked at my profile, because on Stitch Fix you can say how much you want to pay for certain items. I don't know. I have gone actually back in there. Sorry, that's the dog. Just to say that I don't want any accessories, any shoes, no handbags, particularly at £120. So yeah, that's the end of that then. So tell me your thoughts. What did you think? What looked good? What didn't look good? I can't say that I really felt this box. I felt it was a little bit all too black. Now I love black, as you guys know, black t-shirt on, but it has colour. So although I love black, I still like to have that little bit of colour, which I felt none of that really provided, apart from the tiger one. But I'm not paying £40 for that t-shirt, no way. Alright, so the whole lot is going back, unfortunately, but even still, leave your comments, your thoughts, your feedback, your points of view. Makes me really happy to have you guys engage with me. Well, that's it for another unboxing for Stitch Fix. Until our next one, I will continue with it. And if you like these kind of videos, guys, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like and the notification bell so you are informed of my videos being uploaded. I can't seem to think today, I'm so sorry. Anyway, I'm going to go now before I completely put my foot in it, and I will speak to you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.